Hi class, today we're going to be learning how to solve two-step equations. So we're going to learn how to solve 2x plus 3 is equal to 15. When you have an equation, your goal is to solve for x. Natalie, what's the first step in this equation?
Subtract 3 on both sides.
Okay, and why do you do that?
To get x alone.
Alright, so now that you have a positive and a negative, these two cancel out. So you have 2x is equal to, what's 15 minus 3?
12.
12. Alright, so what's the next step, Sammy?
You divide by 2.
Okay, and why do you divide by 2?
Because we're trying to isolate x.
And what is x and the 2 doing?
Well, when you divide by 2, 2 over 2 is like 1, so it's like x.
So those two cancel out, and you have x is equal to, what's 12 divided by 2?
6.
Perfect. So now that you have that x is equal to 6, how can you check to make sure that this is the correct answer? Natalie?
Why do you subtract from both sides, or do it to both sides?
So you do it to both sides because it's an equation, so you want to keep it balanced. So whatever you do to the left side, you have to do it to the right side.
Oh, okay.
And vice versa. Alright, so how can you check your answer?
Can, oh, go ahead.
No.
No, it says.
Plug an x into the equation.
Okay. So 2, 6. Alright, so what do the parentheses mean? What do you do when you have parentheses?
That is multiplication, I believe.
Yes, correct. So what is 6 times 2?
12.
Alright. So what's your next step in this?
Add the two numbers together.
So what's 12 plus 2?
15.
Alright. So 15 is equal to 15. The two sides are balanced. So you got the correct answer. So now we're going to be singing a chant that will help us remember how to solve equations. Equations means equal, you're solving for x. X is just a number, never forget. What's done to the right is done to the left. What's done to the left is done to the right. Equations, equations, math is great. Equations, equations, there's nothing to hate. Equations mean equal, you're solving for x. X is just a number, never forget. What's done to the right is done to the left. What's done to the left is done to the right. Equations, equations, math is great. Equations, equations, there's nothing to hate.